should've known better. It's gonna suck when the camera stops rolling and you find out soon that the treatment wasn't worth it. They're all the same, they all want the money. They're all insane, they live for fame, honey. They laugh at you and you're not even being funny. But again, keep it floating, I've seen it. Cruise in the front row seat, this little thing they call video girl. Video girl, rock my world for a whole 2 seconds and now I know I'm not about to be another victim. Video girl, get out of my face, get out of my space. Get some plastic, kiss the past. 'Cause I'm not about to be another victim. Video girl syndrome. No, it's bad when your mama doesn't like her. All your friends saying she's a liar. Never-ending phone calls aren't enough. It's not love, it's never enough. Move to LA, got no talent. Not even like you want a Misty pageant. Daddy pays your bills, but you still want it. Keep it floating, I've seen first hand the front row seat. What happens to it next?